Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this easy ceviche recipe using imitation crab meat. So these are all the ingredients that you will be needing to make the ceviche. So first I have 2 packs of leg style imitation crab meat. And then I have some tomatoes, some cilantro, onion, 1 jalapeno y un serrano. And then I have 1 can of corn and some mayonesa. This is optional, but when I make ceviche, I like to eat it on top of a tostada, but you can also eat the ceviche alone. This is optional too. I like to put a little Valentina on my tostadas. I also like to put aguacate on my tostadas. It's really bomb. Try it out. So I went ahead and diced my crab meat. Now I'm just going to add all the ingredients to here. First I'm going to be adding the corn. We'll get that later. And now I'm going to be adding everything else. Whoops. I'm trying to record with one hand, my bad. So let me just mix this and I'll be right back. So I mixed everything up and I just want to show you guys all those colors, all the ingredients. So you could just eat it like this, but I'm going to be adding some mayonesa. So this is the mayonesa that I'm going to be using, but if you don't like mayonesa, you can also use any type of sour cream of your choice. So for this, I don't really have an exact measurement. I just add it, you know. So I'm going to do about 2, and then if I need more, I'll add more. This is the final result. Y'all, look how good this shit looks. This ceviche goes great on top of a tostada. This is one of my favorite recipes to make because it only took me about 10 minutes, so I hope you guys try it out.